Turkish President slams Netanyahu, calls him a tyrant. Soccer of Israeli settles Rome Al-Aqsa compound amid tension. Jerusalem religious body slams Israeli violence at Al-Aqsa. Al-Azhar decries Israeli assault in Al-Aqsa mosque. Egypt court jailed 27 policemen for disrupting works. Iran's Rouhani meet Iraqi Shia cleric in Najaf. Over 20 Daesh-linked terror suspects arrested in Turkey. Russian airstrikes kill 20 civilians in Syria's Idlib. Philippines, prominent Moro Muslim leader passes away. US and Taliban peace talk ends with no deal in Qatar. Afghanistan claims killing 31 Al-Qaeda terrorists. Pakistan adds Turkey to visa-free travel list.